Okay, we are going to make some ham biscuits today. We're just going to take a regular old biscuit. Sorry, I don't make them from scratch. I buy them in the roll, and then we're going to put it in the toaster oven, get it the way we want. Next, add mustard, mayo, butter, whatever you're comfortable with. It's going to be your ham biscuit for breakfast. There's mine. Got a couple slices of ham on there, some flat cheese. You could even spice it up a little bit with some jalapeno wheels, maybe some tomato. Hey, whatever you want. And there it is. Just a nice, quick, simple, easy breakfast.